Hello everyone, it's me Jebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix horizontally mirrored text and picture captured using front camera in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the camera application and just select your front camera. And now let me take a picture of some text. You can see here some text here showing up. So let me take a photo of it. So now you can see here the text is showing in the horizontally mirrored format. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is just click on the settings or this icon if you're using a Samsung smartphone, and just click on this settings icon. And now you will see here one option, save selfies as previewed. So in some other Android smartphones, you may see a different name with a mirror selfie option. So if you see a mirror selfie or save selfies as previewed, just disable either of the respective options. After that, just move back. Now let us retake a picture. Now let us check the captured picture. You can see here it's showing exactly which is written on the respective object. Finally we have fixed. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix horizontally mirrored text and picture captured using front camera in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.